Hi guys, I'm pretty devastated because my almost brand new DJI Osmo microphone mini broke, or at least the adapter for the USB-C plug. Yeah, I wanted to shoot a video outside, had my phone on the tripod and plugged in the receiver with the USB-C adapter, and then it happened what I always have been expecting that it will happen at some point. The tripod flipped and smashed everything to the ground, the phone with the receiver plugged in, and this is the result. You can see some damage on the receiver, probably just outside, but the USB-C plug is definitely totally destroyed. I'm super happy that it didn't destroy the USB-C port of the phone, of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is pretty expensive. Of course, I couldn't try the receiver after that, but it's still flashing green, so I guess the receiver would still work if I could get a replacement of this USB-C plug adapter. So it looks like the receiver is quite sturdy. The thing why it was damaged actually is because of this design, I would say. That's something I don't like too much with the DJI Mic Mini, probably also with some other DJI microphones, that we have to plug in the USB adapter from the side, and so it has quite some large profile for damage. When we look at some other wireless lavalier microphone receivers, they are usually much smaller. Of course, usually they have the USB-C integrated and then they are much smaller. Usually they also don't have so many options as we have here, of course, but I think there would have been an option to make it a little bit smaller. Maybe replace the gain adjustment wheel with just push buttons, which a lot of competitors have. It has just 5 positions anyway, so we don't actually need a wheel. So I would say confirmation from my side that the design is definitely not optimal, makes it pretty prone for damage. The other thing is, now I'm trying to find a replacement for this USB-C plug. Unfortunately, I can't find this part on the official DJI website. There's one on Amazon, but it looks like it's not working for the microphone mini. It's only working for, I think, the DJI Mic 1, 2, something like that, but not for the mini. They clearly say that. And on the official website, I can only find replacement plugs for the Lightning format, I mean for the iPhone, and not USB-C. And now I'm stuck in the support line at position number 17, and it hasn't been going down since about 20 minutes. So it looks like there is no support, and I can't find any other support. I can't find any other seller for this part. I mean, I can still use it with Bluetooth, but probably it won't be same quality of the microphone. Probably also no gain control than with the Bluetooth. Of course, I still have the second transmitter, which is working with the DJI Action 4. That one, of course, works still the same. That's untouched even despite the damage. I mean, that was the system which I've been using usually for my PC and my Android phone. But to be honest, I think I'm not going to buy another DJI microphone. I've been using wireless lavalier microphones since many years and never had any damage. I had a similar microphone and there I had a similar accident, and it easily survived because the receiver was much smaller, straight, not so bulky. So maybe now I'm going to buy the set again from the NEEWER or NEEWER, I don't know how to pronounce that, a microphone which I've been testing already. It's only about $25, comes with 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, has even some gain adjustment. That's probably the one I'm going to buy. Other than that, I just wanted to show you what has happened, maybe open the discussion here if you're in the same situation, so maybe we can find a source where we can get this replacement part. Yeah, during the editing of the video, I didn't want to give up regarding support, so I contacted them on different platforms, for example their website, x.com, and even Amazon support, even though these microphones are not sold on Amazon by DJI but from Amazon itself, and then usually it's more difficult to get support. But I still tried it and did a quick chat with the Amazon support, while at the same time I was talking on the phone to DJI, and the DJI support told me to go to the website and request a repair, which would require me to send back the microphone, but of course that would cost some money, would be covered by warranty. But again, during the same time I was chatting to Amazon support, and even though the return period was over by 3 weeks, Amazon was super generous and even offered a return for the broken device, something I've never seen before. But of course I took the opportunity, and they sent me a prepaid shipping label, and so I'm returning it for a refund. That's pretty cool. So great Amazon support, but not so great from DJI. Almost impossible to get decent support from there, and also quite disappointing that we cannot buy this USB-C plug as a spare part. But I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this microphone, especially regarding damage, support, whatsoever, then please let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.